Mr. I, that is not where you are meant to be. Don't you know your position? Mr. I, I'm talking to you. That is not where you are meant to be. You don't know your position? Mr. I, Mr. I, I'm talking to you. That is not where you are meant to be. Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. Two things you are doing here. First of all, record this your hand like this or whichever way you want. Then after that, you can now go and record yourself again. What you need here is just your face, alright? Make sure you record your face, alright? And make it bold and make it, while you are recording it, your head should be steadfast. It should not be moving here and there. Make sure your head is steadfast, okay? Then after recording it now, then you can now walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay, click on CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video and locate volume, guys. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. We want to mark out an empty background. Click here and make a split. Then locate overlay. Go and look for overlay, guys. Let us overlay this one. Look for overlay. Then you overlay this part now. Click on the background. Look for freeze, okay? Locate freeze, guys. Freeze it, click it and drag it. After that now, you come back and click on this one. Let us locate where we want it to start from. You click it. From here now, click it. Go and look for freeze. Let us freeze this part. Look for freeze. Freeze this part now. Click on freeze. Click this one and delete it. Click the other one and delete it. Click this one and drag it to the beginning. Then you click it and drag it to cover the background, alright? After that now you come back, then you go and locate mask, okay? Locate mask now. Locate mask. Click on mask now, alright? Click on rectangle. Resize this hand the way you want it to be, alright? After resizing the hand now, then you mark on that good and go back. After resizing the hand, mark on that good and go back, but remember to play with that feather icon. Then after here now, then you click on the video. You want to look for remove BG. Go and look for remove BG, alright? Click on remove BG now. Auto removal. Now we has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Click on the video and position it the way you want it to be. After that now, you will come back and mark anywhere, add overlay. You click on add overlay now. Then you import this other video to workspace. Then as you import it now, you locate where you want it to start from, guys. From this place now, we click it and make a split. Delete this first part. Click this one and bring it to the beginning of the video. Then you click it and go and look for duplicate. Duplicate it into 2. Then you come back. You click this one now. Then you expound it. Then you locate mask. Go and look for mask now. Click on mask. Click on circle. Then you come and circle this your mouth. Do it gradually. After circling with your mouth now, you play with this feather icon, alright? Then you mark on this good. Then you go back. Then you position it the way you want it to be. After positioning it the way you want it to be now, we are going to play it. Let us see how this first part look, alright? But that will be after your necessary adjustment. You can play it now. Then look at this very first part. We are good with this one now. What we are going to do now is to go and look for one of those ones you duplicate, alright? Click on this one of the ones you duplicate, and drag it to the beginning of the video again. Then you can expound it. Click it and make it big. Expound it. After that, you still click on mask again. Locate mask. Go and look for mask again. You still click on mask. Click on circle again for the second time. Then you come and circle this your eyes. Alright, circle your eyes. Do the circling, come down and do the circling so that it will look good. After circling your eyes right now, you are going to be playing with that feather icon, but that will be after you finish circling the eyes and you look and see that is good, that is nice. All right, then you play with the feather icon. Just drag the feather icon down. Then after that, you are going to be marking on that good now to go back. All right, after that now, then you want to crumple it. Just crumple it and make it look a little bit smaller. Then you position it here. After that now, we'll go and bring the third one, one of the ones we duplicate. After you play this one and see that you have gotten it, then you go and drag the last duplicate part. All right, this is it here. Click it and drag it to the beginning of the video again. All right, just like we did to the other two, we are going to be doing to it. You click it, then you expound it. After you have finished positioning it, expound it. Still go and look for mask, all right, to come and circle this second part of the eyes. Click it, click circle, then you circle it like we did to the other ones. After circling it, you are going to be marking on the good to go back, but do your circling first. Remember that as you are circling it, after circling it, you want to play with that feather icon. Don't forget, all right? Just come down and do your circling so that these eyes will look very nice. After circling now, you play with that feather icon. Just drag it down, all right? Drag it down so that it will look very okay. Then you mark on this good, then you go back, you click on the eyes and make it smaller, crumple it to be smaller a bit, then you position it on the position you want it to be. You must not do my own position on my own style. Any style you like is what we are going to do here. Then after that now, this is the result we have got. All right, look at the result of the video. After playing it and you see that you have gotten it now, you can decide to add movement to that other eyes. Then you add keyframe here. Just click keyframe, you adjust the video, then you can move the eyes to any position you like. Just add movement to the eyes. That is if you like. If you don't like, you can leave it the way you want it to be. Your own position is what matters, but I decided to add movement to my own eyes, at least to make it look more unique and more good. All right, after adding the movement now, then position it to where you want it to be. After the whole thing now, you can see it will be stopping here. Just move your video and position it, or your eyes, position it to where you want it to be now. After which we are going to go and play the video from the beginning. Let us see how the movement of the eyes is, so that if you don't like the movement, you can still do your necessary adjustments. All right, so at this point you play it, then you can see now that the eyes will now start moving. Look at it. The other eyes, one of the eyes is moving round now. Look at it. That is how I just want this my own to play. All right, then after playing it now, you feel that what you did is good, we want to remove the unwanted parts. All right, click on that background now, you make a split. You click on this one, make a split. Click on this one, make a split. Click on them one after the other, make a split. After then you start deleting them one after the other. After deleting them now, this video is now ready. All right, what will be remaining in this video now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. And after that, you will now export this video to your gallery. All right, but maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. I'll put you through on how you will add your necessary effects and then export this your video. But there is another thing you want to know about this video. Remember, you use auto remove BG, which is a pro features. If you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it because you are not a pro member. All right, but don't worry, we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch the video You will learn and know how. You will come and export this your video to your gallery. Then you export it and share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate the notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe.